This step 9 hasn't played yet.
I can relate to Trisha because we are both moms, and I dream that my children have a chance to have a teacher like her. So inspiring. Yes, okay, cancer, but it's not going to keep me down. I'm going to still be a teacher. I'm going to still be a wife. I'm going to still be a mother. I'm going to do the best I can for as long as you'll give me. And, you know, that's a huge lesson in life. There's no doubt in my mind that you're in the right place at the right time.
Thank you so much. I mean, we couldn't